Well, hey friends, it's Emily here, and I am standing in front of South by Southwest Convention Center here in Austin, Texas. I'm super excited to be here. This is my first time at the show, and I am going to be checking out all of the sessions I can on Interactive, checking out a bunch of activations, all lounges, you name it. I've got some interviews lined up, and I can't wait to share this with you. So stick around for more. It's going to be a great week here in Austin. So I kicked off my South by Southwest experience with, of course, a premiere. This time it was actually one that I felt was unexpected. It was called Yours to Lose by the Freedom Forum, premiering here in Austin, Texas, and showcasing, I would say, a lot of the ways that people don't think about how easy it is to lose their First Amendment rights. And of course, as the press, I felt like this was a very timely and effective way to share this. This hopefully will end up in other cities. And here's a little look at what we experienced inside Yours to Lose.
How many people here can name any of the 5 freedoms of the First Amendment? Anybody shout it out.
Freedom of speech.
Excellent speech. What else?
Freedom of press.
Press, excellent. I got 3
Assembly.
more. Assembly, that's a good one.
Religion.
Religion, yep. What's the last one?
Is it expression?
Well, expression is part of speech. Good answer. All right, the last one that you forgot about is petition. But right now in this room, I want you to explore some of the stories of everyday Americans who worked to defend their First Amendment freedoms. From a coach who went all the way to the Supreme Court to get the right to pray along the sidelines of the football field, to a drag queen who fought efforts to ban free expression right here in Texas. So explore your First Amendment freedoms here in this space, and in just a few minutes, Jessica will call you in to this exclusive premiere of Yours to Lose.
So the rest of the day was spent checking out conference sessions and listening to speakers and connecting with friends. It was actually a pretty chill day, I have to say. Hey everybody, it is Emily, and I am wrapping up my day here, the first day of the conference at South by Southwest. It has been a really good day. I have already gotten a vibe for the conference, and if I hadn't already gone to dozens and dozens and dozens of conferences in my life, I may have thought that this was like totally overwhelming, but in fact it really wasn't. One of the things I noticed was that, depending on what badge you have, depending on what sort of stream you're swimming in, and which pool of fish you're hanging out in, it really makes a big difference. And so that's one of my takeaways. And there's lots more to come. I'm going to be checking out Interactive. As I said, I'll be speaking and also meeting up with a lot more great people here. So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe, and smash that like button if you want to hear more from my trip to South by Southwest 2024.